So, good morning, students. Today we shall learn how to conduct the functions of the op-amp for adder, subtractor, integrator, and differentiator. So, as per the circuit diagram and the pin configuration, you know that has been given in the manual. The circuit for the adder is done in the breadboard. The input to this circuit, adder circuit, is given from the DC power supply. So the first one is the V1 and the second one is the V2. You can see for V1 the voltage is 2 volts and for V2 the voltage is 1 volts. So both the voltages are given to the pin 2 as shown in the circuit diagram, and the output is obtained from the output pin 6 and it is seen in the multimeter, which you can see here. So similarly, you can check for another trial where I can change the value of V1 to 3 volts and this to 1.5 volts. So the output is as shown in the multimeter. Good afternoon, students. Welcome back. Today we shall learn another application of the op-amp, that is difference circuit. As shown in the circuit diagram and with the known pin configuration, the circuit is being rigged up in the breadboard. This circuit is being done as per the circuit diagram of the difference circuit, and to the input terminals the voltage V1 and V2 is given from the regulated DC linear power supply, and the output of the op-amp is seen in the multimeter. The output of the op-amp is seen in the multimeter. See, here the V1 is given as 3 volts and V2 is given as 1 volts. So the difference is 3 minus 1 is 2, which is shown in the multimeter. So again I will tell, the difference of 3 and the 1 is 2, which is shown in the multimeter. So this is the experimental setup, input and output of the op-amp difference circuit. Thank you all. So good afternoon, students. So after we have studied the applications of op-amp as an adder, difference and integrated circuit, we shall study the application of the op-amp as differentiator circuit. So this is the circuit in which we shall study the application of op-amp as differentiator. You already know the pin configurations of the op-amp. With the known pin configuration, this circuit is rigged up in the breadboard. So this is the circuit setup of the differentiator circuit. The input to this circuit is given via the function generator. The input is a square wave with the frequency of 1 kilohertz. This input you can see in the CRO screen. The square wave is the input and the ramp wave is the output of the differentiator circuit. Thank you all. So welcome back, student, to the another application of op-amp, that is integrated circuit. See, the circuit is as shown in the diagram. So this circuit is rigged up in the breadboard. See, all of you know the pin configuration of op-amp. So as per the pin configuration and as per the circuit diagram which is shown previously, this circuit is being done. The input is given to the second terminal of the op-amp through the function generator or the signal generator with a frequency of 1 kilohertz and 2 volt peak to peak voltage, and the output is seen from the pin number 6, that is the output pin of the op amp. Both the input waveform and the output waveform can be seen in the CRO display. See, we have given the square wave as the input waveform and the output of the integrated circuit is the triangular wave. I will show the display of the signal generator where we have given the square waveform and related frequency. So the entire experimental setup includes CRO, the breadboard in which we have to rig up the op amp circuit, and the CRO for obtaining the input and output waveforms. Thank you all.